Ooh, it's the big moment here. The big moment. The birdies have hatched. And Mama bird. Mama bird's up there in her nest. There she is. Here they are. Look at the little birdies on the floor. They're not sure where they're going. There's 3 of them. We got a crop. Look. He's cute. Oh, he's a cutie. He hatched out of my Chinese lantern. So now I'm leaving the door open for them. There's another one. Hey, cutie. Can I get a close-up of you? Oh, he got all his feathers practically so fast. 2 days ago he was bald. Now he's got all these feathers. Of course, Mommy doesn't know what to do. They're all confused. It's a big moment in bird life. There's the nest inside the Chinese lantern. It was hiding all the time. Up there in the Chinese lantern. Yes, sirree. That's where it was. Sure, they're just going to stay here for a while. We're not going anywhere. We're just staying here for a while. It's scary outside, and we want to stay with you, Danny. We like it here. And now he's up against the window. You know, you can't go in that way. You just get lost in my house. Big moment. A big moment in the bird life. Okay. That's it.